Now, fall is my favorite time of the year. Bonfires, the smell of falling leaves, cooler temperatures, yeah, buddy. Now, I also use the first of fall, which is coming up, to remind me to do some things around the home to get prepared for the upcoming winter season. There's 4 things I'd like to share with you today that we need to get taken care of. Let's get going. First off, let's find the smoke detector and change the batteries. It doesn't matter that it's not giving you the low battery beep yet. Change your batteries anyway just to be safe and press the test button to make sure it's working properly. Next, in the same respect, let's find the carbon monoxide detector and do the same thing. If you don't have a CO detector, get one. Whether you have a new furnace or not, carbon monoxide can come from other sources and you want to stay protected. Third, let's change your furnace filter. You should have already been doing this if you've had central air. If not, change it before you begin using your furnace. Next, and finally, let's change the humidifier pad if you have a whole house humidifier on your furnace. Yes, they do need to be changed just once a year, and this should prevent water from spilling down into your furnace due to a plugged up filter pad. Well, that was easy, wasn't it? Just an ounce of prevention will save you a pound of cure, and you'll be prepared and protected no matter what this season has to throw at you. Yeah, buddy. For more tips and videos, visit us next time. See us on the web. Working to keep your home healthy and safe, I'm Jeff Lee.